Hi, how are you? I'm good. Thanks. And you? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. What's your name? My name is Sarah. Yours? Where are you from? I'm from India. How's it going? Pretty good. Busy day. Long time no see. Yeah, it's been ages. See you later. Take care. Have a great day. Thanks, you too. What time do you wake up? Usually around 7 a.m. Do you have breakfast every day? Yes, I usually have toast and coffee. How do you get to work? I take the bus. What do you do in the evening? I like to read or watch TV. What time do you go to bed? Around 11 p.m. Did you sleep well? Like a log. Thanks. I'm going to the gym. Good for you. Have a nice workout. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have one brother and two sisters. What does your father do? He's a teacher. Are you married? No, I'm single. How many children do you have? We have a son and a daughter. This is my best friend, Mike. Hi, Mike. I've heard a lot about you. Do you get along with your family? Yes, we're very close. Tell your mom I said hello. I will. Thank you. I'm hungry. Let's grab lunch. Sure, what are you in the mood for? I'll have a coffee, please. With milk and sugar? Just black. Thanks. This pizza is delicious. I'm glad you like it. Could I have the bill, please? Of course, right away. Can I get a glass of water? Still or sparkling? Let's split the bill. Sounds fair to me. I'm full. I can't eat another bite. Me neither. That was a huge meal. Do you like spicy food? Yes, the spicier the better. What do you like to do for fun? I enjoy hiking and painting. Do you play any sports? I play tennis on the weekends. What kind of music are you into? I listen to a bit of everything, but mostly rock. Have you seen any good movies lately? Yes, I watched a great comedy last night. I love to travel. Me too. What's your favorite destination? What are you reading right now? A mystery novel. I can't put it down. Do you play any instruments? I'm learning to play the guitar. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? Yes, perfect for a walk. It's freezing outside. I know. Make sure to bundle up. Looks like it's going to rain. I'd better take an umbrella then. It's really hot and humid today. Let's stay inside with the AC on. I love the sound of rain. Me too. It's so relaxing. What's the forecast for tomorrow? Sunny and 25 degrees. Can I help you find anything? No thanks. I'm just browsing. How much is this sweater? It's $40, but it's on sale for $25. Do you have this in a medium? Let me check in the back. I'm just looking. Thank you. No problem. Let me know if you need help. This is a bit too expensive for me. We have some cheaper options here. Can I try this on? Sure. The fitting room is over there. Will that be cash or card? Credit card, please. How are you feeling today? Not so great. I have a headache. Bless you. Thank you. I think I'm catching a cold. You should see a doctor. I will if I don't feel better tomorrow. I need to get in better shape. Let's start jogging together. My tooth is killing me. You need to see a dentist right away. Get well soon. Thank you. That's very kind. Don't forget to take your medicine. I already did. What do you do for a living? I'm a software engineer. How's work going? It's been very busy lately. I have a deadline tomorrow. Good luck. Don't work too hard. I got promoted. Congratulations! That's awesome news. What are you studying? I'm majoring in business. Did you finish your homework? Not yet. I'm almost done. This assignment is tough. Let's study together later if you want. Excuse me, where is the nearest bank? Go straight for 2 blocks, it's on your right. Is this seat taken? No, go ahead, it's free. Where's the bus stop? Just around the corner. A ticket to the city center, please. That'll be $2.50. Have a safe flight. Thank you. See you in a week.